Today we are going to learn how to solve quadratic inequality. Let's see the first question. Given that x is not equal to 0, find the set of values of x for which 2 divided by x is less than 1. So how can we solve this? First, let's multiply both sides of the inequality by x square. So why are we multiplying by x square? Why can't we multiply with x? You see, x can be negative or positive. If x is negative, that will reverse the inequality. To avoid this, we are multiplying by x square. X square is always positive. So we will see what happens when we multiply both sides of the inequality by x square. So this is like 2 divided by x times x square less than 1 times x square. See what we are going to get. That is 2x is less than x square. So this we can write as 2x minus x square is less than 0. Now to get the critical values, we can solve the corresponding quadratic equation. So that is 2x minus x square is equal to 0. See, let's factorize it by taking x out. X times 2 minus x is equal to 0. That gives us either x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. You see, you got the critical values, x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. Now you see, this is not an equation, but this is an inequality. To get the set of values, we can sketch the corresponding quadratic. See, x equal to 0, x equal to 2. You can see the coefficient of x square here is negative. If the coefficient of x square is negative, that's the sad parabola. So let's just sketch it. It must be like this. Now you see 2x minus x square is less than 0. Something is less than 0 means that is below the x-axis. So which part is coming? Below x-axis. That is see, this part is coming. So the corresponding x values are this and this, right? So this part means x is less than 0. X is less than 0. Or this part is, see, everything greater than 2. X is greater than 2. See, we have solved the quadratic inequality. 2 divided by x is less than 1. For x is less than 0 or x is greater than 2. See the next question. Given that x is not equal to 0, find the set of values of x for which 6 plus 5 divided by x is greater than 8 divided by x. So we'll take the like terms. We'll take the like terms together. So this becomes 6 greater than 8 by x minus 5 by x. 6 greater than 8 divided by x minus 5 divided by x. That is 8 minus 5 divided by x. That is 3 divided by x. So we can write it as 6 greater than 3 divided by x. Now what will we do? We will multiply both the sides of the inequality with x square. You know we cannot multiply by x. We have already learned. So we are multiplying both the sides of the inequality with x square. So 6x square greater than 3x. Now we can rewrite it as 6x square minus 3x is greater than 0. Now you see, to get the critical values, we have to solve the corresponding quadratic equation. That is 6x square minus 3x is equal to 0. So we can factorize it. Three x times 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 3x times 2x minus 1 equal to 0. That gives x equal to 0 or x equal to 1 divided by 2. Now you see, you have got the critical values. Now you need to find the set of values of x for which 6 plus 5 by x is greater than 8 divided by x. For that we can sketch the inequality or we can sketch the quadratic. Now you see, the coefficient of x square is 6. The coefficient of x square is 6, that's positive. So this is a happy parabola. So we can just sketch it. Now you see, the inequality says 6x square minus 3x is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means the part above x-axis. So which part is coming? This part is coming, the two tails. So the corresponding x values means to this side and to this side. This side means x less than 0. So x less than 0 or to that side means x is greater than 1 by 2. You see, you have found the set of values of x for which 6 plus 5 divided by x is greater than 8 divided by x. Let's see the third question. Given that x is not equal to 0, find the set of values of x for which 6 divided by x square plus 7 divided by x is less than or equal to 3. So what we can do here? We can multiply both sides of the inequality with x square. We know x square is always positive. So 6 divided by x square times x square, that makes it a 6 plus 7 divided by x times x square, that makes it a 7x less than or equal to 3x square. See, you can either take 3x square to this side or 6 plus 7x to the other side. So I will rewrite it as 0 less than or equal to 3x square minus 7x minus 6. Or you can write it as minus 3x square plus 7x plus 6 less than or equal to 0. So this is same as 3x square minus 7x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Now you see, you have to solve the corresponding quadratic to find the critical values. So the corresponding quadratic is 3x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let's find the critical values. You can use any method to solve the quadratic, completing the square, using formula, or factorize by splitting middle term. So we will get 3x plus 2 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. That gives x equal to minus 2 by 3 or x is equal to 3. So we have got the critical values. Once we get the critical values, we can sketch it. So we are going to sketch the quadratic. Minus 2 by 3 and 3. Now you see the quadratic. This is the coefficient of x square is 3. That is positive. So that's a happy parabola. We can just sketch it. Now you see this is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means above x-axis. So which part is coming? This part, the tails. That means the corresponding x values are these ones. That is x less than minus 2 by 3 or x greater than 3. Sorry, x less than or equal to minus 2 by 3. You see the inequalities greater than or equal to 0. So x is less than or equal to minus 2 by 3 or x is greater than or equal to 3. That means minus 2 by 3 and 3 are included. Now we'll see our next question. Find the set of values of x for which a part of the question is 2 times 3x minus 1 is less than 4 minus 3x. B part is 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is less than 0. And C part is both 2 times 3x minus 1 less than 4 minus 3x and 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is less than 0. So first let's solve the A part. See, 2 times 3x minus 1 less than 4 minus 3x. Let's remove the bracket. So this becomes 6x minus 2 less than 4 minus 3x. That is 9x is less than 6 or x is less than 6 divided by 9 or 2 divided by 3. See, A part is just a linear inequality. We got x is less than 2 divided by 3. Now let's solve the B part. So B part says 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is less than 0. So what we have to do? We have to find the corresponding quadratic and solve it for getting the critical value. So the corresponding quadratic is 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. To solve the quadratic, we can use several methods. Methods like completing the square, splitting middle term and factorizing, or using quadratic formula. So here we get 2x plus 1 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the critical values are x equal to minus 1 by 2 or x equal to 3. You can just use a calculator also to get the critical values. Now what we can do? As usual, we can sketch it. So see, the coefficient of x square is 2, that's positive. So we are going to get a happy parabola minus of 3 Now you see the inequality 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is less than 0. Less than 0 means below x-axis. Below x-axis means this part. See which part is coming? This part is coming, the continuous part. So the lowest point is minus half. The highest point is 3. So minus half less than x less than 3. This is our set of values for which 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is less than 0. That is minus half less than x less than 3. See, from A part we got x is less than 2 by 3, and from B part we got minus half less than x less than 3. See, we have to erase it. Now we have to solve the B part. We have to find the set of values of x for which both 2 times 3x minus 1 less than 4 minus 3x and 2x square minus 5x minus 3 less than 0. You see this part? And means both of them should be true. Both A part and B part should be true for the C part to be true. So we need the answers for A part and B part. A part x is less than 2 by 3. B part is giving minus half less than x less than 3. So both are true. So both are true means where they intersect. So where they overlap. So to get the answer, what we can do? We can draw a number line. Now see, for A part, that is 2 times 3x minus 1 less than 4 minus 3x, x is less than 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 will be 0.66667, something like that. So it will be coming somewhere. I'm giving a empty circle because 2 by 3 is not included. So this is x less than 2 by 3. All the values below 2 by 3. All the values of x getting all the values less than 2 by 3. Now according to the B part, that is 2x square minus 5x minus 3 less than 0. That is minus half less than x less than 3. So minus half will be coming here. 3 is coming here. See, this is the answer for A part. This is the answer for B part. That is minus half less than x less than 3. Now A part and B part, that means both are true. Both are true when they overlap. You see the intersecting part. That is from here to here. This is what? Minus half. This is what? 2 divided by 6. So both are true. Both together are true from minus 1 by 2 to 2 by 6. So answer for C is from where to where? Minus half less than x less than 2 divided by 6. You see, both A and B. Both A and B should be true. Both are true together in the overlapping region. That is from here to here. So to this side only A part is true. To this side only B part is true. From here to here both are true. That is from minus half to 2 divided by 6. So minus half less than x less than 2 divided by 6. Let's see the next question. Given that x is equal to 3, find the set of values of x for which 5 divided by x minus 3 is less than 2. See, 5 divided by x minus 3 is less than 2. Multiply both sides of the inequality with x minus 3 the whole square. Why can't we multiply with x minus 3? X minus 3 can be negative or positive. So if it is negative, we have to reverse the inequality. To avoid this, we are multiplying by x minus 3 the whole square, that is always positive. So this becomes 5 times x minus 3 less than 2 times x minus 3 the whole square. What we did? We multiplied. You want to see the step? Means what we can do? 5 divided by x minus 3 times x minus 3 the whole square less than 2 times x minus 3 the whole square. So this cancel out. So we will get it as 5 times x minus 3 less than 2 times x minus 3 the whole square. Let's remove the bracket. 5x minus 15 is less than 2 times x minus 3 the whole square. X square minus 6x plus 9. So that is 5x minus 15 is less than 2x square minus 18x, minus 12x plus 18. Now what we can do? We can make one side 0. So this can be written as 0 less than 2x square minus 12x minus 5x plus 18 plus 15. See, took 5x minus 15 to the other side. So this becomes minus 5x plus 15. So 2x square minus 12x minus 5x, that is minus 17x. So we can write it as minus 17x. 18 plus 15, that is 33. Or we can write it as 2x square minus 17x plus 33 greater than 0. Same, right? 0 less than this means this is greater than 0. Now what we need to do? We have to solve the corresponding quadratic. That is 2x square minus 17x plus 33 is equal to 0. You can use any method to solve the quadratic that you are convenient, that you feel easy to. 2x minus 11 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. This will be the corresponding quadratic. That will give you either x is equal to 11 by 2 or x equal to 3, the critical values. Once we get the critical values, what we can do? We can sketch the quadratic. See, coefficient of x square is positive, so it's a happy parabola. Be like this. Now you see the inequality. 2x square minus 17x plus 33 is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means which part comes? This part, the tails. That is above x-axis. So this side and this side. The x values corresponding to this side is, that is x less than 3. The x values corresponding to this side, x greater than 11 by 2. See, x less than 3, x greater than 11 by 2. Let's see the next question. Find the range of values of k for which the equation x square minus kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0 has no real roots. So we have a quadratic equation in x. We know the general form of a quadratic is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is the coefficient of x square, here it is 1. B is the coefficient of x, here it is minus k. C is the constant, that means without x, k plus 3. Now you see, the equation has no real roots. No real roots means we know the discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0. No real root means discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So b is minus k, so minus k the whole square minus 4 times 1 times k plus 3 must be less than 0. When we remove the bracket, we can get k square minus 4k minus 12 less than 0. You see here we have got a quadratic in k. So we have to solve the corresponding quadratic equation to get the critical values. That is k square minus 4k minus 12 equal to 0. This is the corresponding quadratic equation. So we can find the critical values. K minus 6 times k plus 2 equal to 0. That gives k is equal to 6 or k is equal to minus 2. Now you see, once we get the critical values, we can sketch the quadratic. See, less than 0. Less than 0 means which part is coming? K square minus 4k minus 12 is less than 0. The part of the graph below x-axis, that is this part. See the continuous part. That is from minus 2 to 6. The lowest value is minus 2. So minus 2 less than k less than 6. This is the minus 2 less than k less than 6. This is the range of values of k for which the equation x square minus kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0 has no real roots. Here are your homework.